Welcome to video PN-13, two overlapping sets of birds. This is taken from lesson 4, example 11, and here's the problem. A pet store has 25 green birds, 12 male, 13 female, and 33 bluebirds, 19 male and 14 female. You randomly select one bird. What's the probability that it is male or green? So I'm going to work this problem in terms of probabilities. Again, these are not mutually exclusive events, so I've got to subtract the double counting or overlap, if you will. So in general, the problem is going to be the probability of male or green equals the probability of being male plus the probability of being green minus the probability of being male and green. And again, that gets rid of the double counting from counting, oh, you're in the male and the green at the same time. Okay, so the probability of being male, well, I've got 12 males here, and I've got 19 males there, so that's 31 out of a total of 58. The probability of being green is 25 out of 58. And the probability of being male and green, there's 12 such birds over 58. So all I'm going to do is add and subtract these fractions, and then I'll report my answer exact simplified and rounded to 3 decimals. All right, I'll deal with the numerators first. So I've got 31 plus 25 minus 12 divided by 58. So my approximate answer is 0.759. But we're concerned about an exact answer also, so I'll simply go math frac. And I get 22 over 29. Which was actually 44 out of 58, but this is reduced. And there you have it, how to work with probabilities of things that are not mutually exclusive or have two overlapping sets.